Hello everyone, I am Mrudula Busare and today's topic is the digestive system. So digestion is the process of conversion of larger molecules into smaller ones, then complex molecules into simpler ones and insoluble molecules into the soluble ones. So digestive system plays an important role in digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. So digestive system consists of mainly two parts. First one is the major organs and another one is the accessory organs. Major organs are the organs which are directly involved in the process of digestion, and accessory organs are the organs which are not directly involved in the process of digestion but they help in the process of digestion. So major organs includes mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, and the accessory organs includes liver, pancreas and the gallbladder. The first major organ involved in the process of digestion is the mouth. It is the entry point of food. Then there are some various structures present in the mouth which helps in the process of digestion. First one is the teeth. Teeth helps to cut or grind the food. Then salivary gland. Salivary glands produces and secretes the saliva. Saliva helps to moisten the food and they contain an enzyme which is known as salivary amylase. Then the second important organ is the esophagus. It is a tube that connects the mouth to the stomach and it runs through the thoracic cavity. It is present behind the windpipe which is known as trachea. Trachea has an epiglottis which prevents the entry of food into the windpipe. Then the function of epiglottis is that the lining of esophagus helps to lubricate the food. Now the esophageal sphincter. Esophageal sphincter is the joining point between the esophagus and the stomach. It is present at the end of esophagus and at the start of stomach, and it helps to prevent the stomach acid going back into the esophagus. Now the next major organ is the stomach. So stomach is the J-shaped muscular sac which have the inner folds which is known as the rub. So stomach, the function of stomach is to help in the mechanical digestion by churning food and mixing it with the gastric juice secreted by the linings of stomach. So example of gastric juices are HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, pepsin, lipases and intrinsic factor, etc. Now the chyme present in stomach transfers to the small intestine. So there is the joining point present between the end of stomach and the start of small intestine, that is the duodenum. It's called as the pyloric sphincter. So another major part or another major organ of digestive system is the small intestine. So small intestine are responsible for the complete digestion of macromolecules and the absorption and the absorption of their component molecules. For example, glycerol, glucose, fatty acid, then amino acid and the nucleotide. So small intestine is made up of three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and the ileum. The duodenum is approximately 30 centimeter in length, and in duodenum there are number of villi and macrovilli are present. The middle part of the small intestine is known as the jejunum, which is approximately 2.5 centimeter long, and it also contains the more number of villi and macrovilli. The last part of the small intestine is ileum, and it is approximately 3 centimeter long, and it has the fewer number of villi and the macrovilli. The last major organ of the digestive system is the large intestine. So large intestine are composed of various distinctive parts, mainly cecum, colon and the rectum. So cecum is the first part of large intestine, and it takes the digestive liquid from the ileum and then transfers it to the colon. So colon is the second and major part of the large intestine where the reabsorption of water and the absorption of salt takes place. The last part of the large intestine is the rectum where the leftover waste is collected and it is emptied through the anus. Now we see about the accessory organs. So accessory organs are the organs which support the digestive system but are not part of the digestive system. These organs secretes the fluid into the digestive tract and are connected by the duct. So the accessory organs include liver, gallbladder, and the pancreas. So bile is produced by the liver and it is secreted by the gallbladder, and pancreas produces and secretes the pancreatic juice, and pancreas acts as both endocrine as well as the exocrine gland. Thank you.